Hi guys, I installed diesel heater in my work van, and this is the setup. So it's Peugeot boxer behind the cab, it's the heater, extraction hose goes into the cab, and this is where I put a tank, fuel filter, pump, and power supply. I decided to use one of these things. It's a downgrading, downstepping 18 volt to 12 volt, like a transformer. Now the issue is that there is rated 8 to 10 amps, and that there is rated 10 amps. Now I'm thinking must be 10 amps continuous with a peak maybe 11 amps or something. Gotta give it 10%, and that there it was 8 to maximum 10 amps. Okay, now I connected it all up and tried to run it, and on the startup it just shuts down because of insufficient voltage. I checked the voltage drop, and as it starts running it goes from 12.1 volt down to below 10 and just shuts down. So I got multimeter, connected it on to check how many amps it's pulling, and I'm gonna demonstrate now, show you the video of testing for amps, and basically this, it's not giving 10 amps. That's the problem. It says 10, it doesn't give 10. So enjoy the video. Thank you, and please subscribe if you want to see more. Got another video coming with full installation. So here we go again. I just rigged it up off the battery, 0.06 on standby, turn on, and it's going up. I can hear the unit. So it's hovering around 9, so it's really it's not going even 10. It's just below 9. Well, I can call it 9. It's going really around 9. So this is now real time. Let's see when it's going to start dropping. Hear pump. Now with the pump it goes to 9.4. I can hear fan now properly kicking in. I can smell fumes, like a burn fumes. That's good, producing heat. There you go. The cone got hot and now it's dropping the amps. So now it's running on full power because obviously it's cold. It's showing 3 degrees Celsius. I mean, cab is, so it's trying to heat it up. It's drawing cold air. So I would say it goes about between 1.5 and 2 amps on running now. I can actually feel the heat coming from that side of the cab. Yep, going up to 3, just under 3, 2.5, 3. It's trying to do full blast. Little pump, it's kicking in. Yeah, so basically I have issue with this. It's not doing 10 amps. If it does 10 amps, it would work. Because it will only draw 10 amps for the first couple of minutes. Now, I should not just disconnect it. I should really turn it off and let it cool down. So pump stopped, fan is winding down, and we got saying clear. Okay, so leave that to fully stop. Still drawing, obviously, for the fan. It's probably running glow plug as well to clear any residual fuel. Blimey, it's going to 11 amps on shutdown. Didn't expect that. Okay. So on a startup it went to 9, but on a shutdown it went to 11. Okay, it's good to know. There you go, it's coming down, it's coming down. It's still shutting down, it's not fully. I can still hear it, and it's still displaying clear on the display. I mean, this heating unit has been advertised as 5 kilowatts. And I don't know what's the output really, how to measure the output of the heat, but I can see what is drawing electrically, and you guys can see it now as well. You can plan your electrical installation around this data. Still shutting down. It's nearly 8 minutes now since startup. I would say it takes longer to shut down than actually to start it up. And it's very important not to disturb shutdown process, because that's where things go wrong on long term. There you go, display showed off, and it's fully off now, and it's back down to 0.06 amps initial draw. Oh, there you go, all off. Okay, so what I need to do is now run the cable semi-permanently into my battery box here, put a fuse on it, and I'll be good.